Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
Hi there! It's time for NHK World Japan's Easy Japanese. I'm Mariko Kojima.
And I'm Michael Reese. Let's have fun studying Japanese together. And today we'll bring you Lesson 16, Part 2, on how to express impressions and explain things. Photographer Mia from China is on a photo shoot in Nagano Prefecture. She's at a hot spring famed for the wild monkeys that bathe there. A Japanese couple sees Mia taking pictures and strikes up a conversation. Listen to the skit for Lesson 16.
猿がいっぱい。
たくさん写真を撮っているのね。
はい。ここは海外でも有名な温泉です。
へえ、そうなんだ。猿が温泉に入るのは珍しいからね。
猿の赤ちゃん、かわいい。
Over the skit line by line.
Mia exclaims,
あ、猿がいっぱい。
Wow, so many monkeys!
As she's engrossed in taking pictures, the wife of the sightseeing couple speaks to her.
たくさん写真を撮っているのね。
You're taking a lot of photos.
Mia replies,
はい。
Yes,
ここは海外でも有名な温泉です。
this is a world-famous hot spring.
The husband says,
へえ、そうなんだ。
Oh, is that so?
猿が温泉に入るのは珍しいからね。
You can't see monkeys bathing in many other places.
Mia spots something and says,
猿の赤ちゃん、
Oh, a baby monkey.
かわいい。
How cute!
Yeah, it's not hard to imagine how adorable the sight of monkeys bathing in an onsen must be.
That's true. As for the conversation, you may not understand everything Japanese people say to you when you're traveling, but don't worry. Just try to build a vocabulary that you can use right away.
Today's key phrase is, this is a famous hot spring.
有名な温泉です。
If you remember the structure of this phrase, you'll be able to explain things and express impressions.
Here's the explanation of the key phrase. Yuumeena is an adjective meaning famous. As we already know, onsen is hot spring. Des at the end makes it more polite. In today's point, we look at how to use adjectives. In Lesson 12, we learned that adjectives like cute, kawaii, ending in e, are called e-adjectives. But there's also another type, as we heard with the word for famous, yuumeena. It ends in na when modifying a noun. This type is called a na-adjective.
So, just like an e-adjective, can you simply add a na-adjective before the noun to modify it?
That's right. One such example is Yuumeena onsen, famous onsen. The na adjective can also come at the end of a sentence. In that case, the na is deleted and desu replaces it. Therefore, yuumeena becomes yuumee desu, meaning it's famous.
Try it out for yourself.
有名な温泉です。有名な温泉です。
Got it? Listen to this conversation expressing an impression.
元気な猿ですね。
ほんと、元気ですね。
Take a closer look at what was said.
元気な猿ですね。
It's a lively monkey, isn't it?
元気な is a na adjective meaning lively. Saru is monkey. The sentence ends with ne, which seeks agreement from the person being spoken to.
ほんと、元気ですね。
It sure is. It's lively.
本当 means it sure is or really and expresses a mutual feeling or agreement. When 元気な comes at the end of a sentence, the な is taken out and becomes 元気です。
Listen and repeat out loud.
元気な猿。元気な猿ですね。元気ですね。
Now try some other impressions. Imagine that snow has settled and an onsen has become quiet. Try saying, "This is a quiet place, isn't it?" in Japanese. Quiet is
静かな。静かな。
and place is
場所。場所。
go ahead.
静かな場所ですね。静かな場所ですね。
Now imagine seeing a beautiful snow scene and say, "This is a beautiful scene, isn't it?" Beautiful is
きれいな。きれいな。
and scene is
景色。景色。
give it a try.
きれいな景色ですね。きれいな景色ですね。
How'd you do?
Today's bonus phrase is what the Japanese tourist said in the skit. Memorize it.
へえ、
He is a form of response when you're impressed or surprised. It shows that you're interested in what the other person is saying, so the conversation should flow smoothly.
Listen to how various people say this.
へえ、
へえ。へえ。
Now it's your turn. Listen and repeat.
へえ。
Try and use this expression when you find out what someone is saying to be interesting.
Now, let's listen to the skit one more time.
あ、猿がいっぱい。
たくさん写真を撮っているのね。
はい、ここは海外でも有名な温泉です。
へえ、そうなんだ。猿が温泉に入るのは珍しいからね。
猿の赤ちゃん、かわいい。ミーヤーのトラベルガイド。
Time now for Mia's travel guide. Today it's about onsen, hot springs in Japan.
So, Michael, have you ever been to one?
Oh, well, actually, I go very often because I happen to live almost next door to one.
Next door to an onsen, really? You're very lucky. You know, we have many onsens in Japan because there are so many volcanoes. The color, smell, and sensation or texture of the water differs from place to place. Most hot springs are said to be therapeutic, such as helping you recover from exhaustion.
Is that the main reason people go, do you think?
Well, maybe for some people. Most, however, are just traveling with family or friends. Staying at an inn, savoring the food, and reveling in long baths. That's a nice way to spend time together.
It sounds really good, and indeed it is. So what are some of the most well-known hot springs?
Well, Kusatsu Onsen near Tokyo and Beppu Onsen in Kyushu, farther to the southwest, have both been regarded as outstanding since ancient times. Another famous site is Nyuto Onsenkyo, nestled deep in the mountains of the Tohoku region with a great ambience. By traveling around, you're sure to find the ideal onsen for you. Did you enjoy today's Easy Japanese?
Please join us again next time.